Hi, hello, welcome back to AgriDost. In this video, we are going to know about mushroom. This video include introduction of mushroom, history of mushroom, cultivation of mushroom in India, classification, poisonous mushrooms and edible mushrooms, price of mushrooms and nutritional values and disadvantages, and finally, is mushroom a veg? So, before going to the video, please like and subscribe to our channel AgriDost. Mushroom is a fungi producing a fleshy fruiting body, especially one consisting of a stalk with an umbrella cap. It has two parts. Cap-like structure is known as pileus, attached with a thread-like structure, mycelia. Mycelia absorb nutrients from the soil. It do not require sunlight for their growth. Mushroom belongs to Agaricaceae family. There are 14,000 species approximately, in which only 2,000 species are edible and 1,000 species are poisonous, while remaining are unknown. Mushroom is a commonly consumed all over the world. History of mushrooms. Mushrooms were thought to be special and supernatural in origin. 4,600 years ago, the Egyptians believed mushrooms to be plants of immortality. The Romans thought that mushrooms were food of God. Chinese and Japanese have utilized for medicinal purpose for thousands of years. Lentis edodus, also known as shiitake, was originally cultured in China about 800 years ago. Different cultures cultivated different species. Cultivation of mushroom in Western culture was first recorded in Paris, France around 1650. In India, Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan and Jammu and Kashmir are major producing states of mushroom. Punjab, Haryana and Himachal Pradesh account for nearly 90% of country's production. Punjab is the leading mushroom growing state, contributing to 50% of total production. Is mushroom cultivation profitable in India? Let's know now. Nowadays, mushroom cultivation is the most productive and profitable business in India. It is getting popular gradually in India because in short time it converts farmers' hard work into profit. Farmers use mushroom cultivation is a process in India as an alternative source of money. How many days mushroom grow? Most mushroom farmers harvest for 35 to 42 days. Although some harvest a crop for 60 days and a harvest can go on for as long as 150 days. Air temperature during cropping should be held between 57 degrees to 62 degrees Fahrenheit for good result. Fungi culture is a cultivation of mushroom and other fungi. Is mushroom a veg? Hennanen explained that mushrooms are scientifically classified as fungi because they have no leaves, roots or seeds and don't need light to grow. So finally, the mushroom is not a true vegetable. European white truffle is the world's most expensive mushroom with a price tag that can exceed 2,200 euros per pound. In India, the minimum price of mushroom is as follows. Button mushroom, minimum price is 140 per kg and the maximum price is 200 per kg. And oyster mushroom, the minimum price is 110 per kg and the maximum price is 1200 per kg, and etc. Now we will be knowing about classification of mushrooms. Edible mushrooms. Edible mushrooms are consumed by humans for their nutritional value and they are occasionally consumed for their supposed medical value. Edibility may be defined by criteria that include absence of poisonous effects on human and desirable taste and aroma. As part of edible mushrooms, now we will be knowing about the Indian varieties of mushrooms which are cultivated most. Button mushroom. This is one of the most commonly available varieties of mushrooms. They have a mild flavor with a creamy white color. You can eat them in both raw and cooked forms. Buttons go well with multiple dishes such as pizza, burgers, soups and salads. They are widely used in India as well and their cultivation is done seasonally or under a controlled environment. Almost 90% of mushrooms you eat are button mushrooms, making it one of the most popular types of mushrooms in India. It is one of the best vegetables to grow in pots. Next one, straw mushroom, also famous as Chinese mushroom. These are as popular in India as the butter mushrooms. They have a good aroma, flavor, and are rich in various nutrients and proteins. These are cultivated generally in the states of Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Tamil Nadu. Oyster mushroom, one of the popular types of mushrooms in India. This variety can easily grow in tropical and temperate regions. Shaped like a fan and dusty color, they look a lot like oysters, just like their names. Their cultivation in India usually takes place in the states of Madhya Pradesh, West Bengal, Orissa, and Karnataka. And milky mushrooms. Milky mushrooms are also known as summer mushrooms. It is a fantastic variety that grows in states like Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, and Odisha. They are also less demanding and offer a high yield. These mushrooms look attractive with bright white color and have a good shelf life as well. Crimini mushrooms, shiitake mushroom, and portobello mushrooms. These are other some varieties which are cultivated in India. Now we will be knowing about poisonous mushrooms. Poisonous mushroom. Poisonous mushroom look like edible mushroom in their morphology and life cycle. However, they can be distinguished by the following features: brightly colored fruit bodies, greenish tannage on gills and yellow-green spores, pink colored spores in gills, presence of ulva and annulus on stalk, oozing of milky or colored latex at damaged portions, and unpleasant odor. Some examples of poisonous mushroom: death cap, web caps, and deadly dappling. This is all about poisonous mushroom. Now we will be knowing about the nutritional value of mushrooms. Protein. Most mushrooms have high protein content, usually around 20 to 30% by dry weight. Fiber. Helps to lower the cholesterol and it is important for the digestive system. Vitamin D. Essential for the absorption of calcium. Copper. Aids in helping the body to absorb oxygen and create red blood cells. Selenium. An antioxidant that helps to neutralize free radicals that preventing the cell damage and reducing the risk of cancer and other diseases. Potassium. An extremely important mineral that regulates blood pressure and keeps cells functionally properly. Other important minerals are such as phosphorus, zinc, and magnesium. Low levels of fat, calories, and sodium. And mushrooms also don't have cholesterol. These are the nutritional benefits of mushroom. Okay friends, this is all about today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like our videos, please like and share this video to your friends and subscribe to AgriDost.